Researchers were stunned when they discovered a fractal pattern at the molecular scale in nature for the first time. This groundbreaking finding revealed that a bacterium had evolved an enzyme that assembled in a fractal structure, a mathematical pattern that repeated itself at smaller scales. Fractal patterns, which are commonly found in nature on large macroscopic scales, had never before been identified at the molecular level. The team of mathematicians led by Georg Hochberg at the Max Planck Institute for Terrestrial Microbiology in Marburg, Germany, made this remarkable discovery in an enzyme called citrate synthase, used by the cyanobacterium Synechococcus elongatus. This enzyme, which is part of the Krebs cycle responsible for generating energy in various organisms, took on the form of a triangle with ever smaller triangular gaps, a pattern known as a Sierpiński triangle. This finding not only shed light on the incredible complexity and beauty of nature at the molecular level, but also opened up new possibilities for understanding the fundamental building blocks of life. The discovery of a molecular fractal in a simple bacterium has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of biological processes and inspire new avenues of research in the field of microbiology.